Hello and welcome to your glute fascial freedom tutorial. Now, if you can get your hands on a hard medicine ball or use a netball, basketball, football, let's start with something bigger so it's covering larger surface area. Now, we're going to be hitting a whole lot, the glute med as well as the glute max. There's a bit happening in there. By using that larger surface, it's going to help to begin with. Your goal then is to work into your more precise points using our fascial freedom balls. So the first thing we're going to do is just going to sit on top. Let's pick one cheek. So here we're sitting on the left cheek, balancing on that left arm. You can prop your hand up on a chair or something. It's about getting as comfortable as you can, as always. And the first thing we're going to do, just by doing that, some of you might notice that's going to be pretty intense. So we take our time, we sit on it, allow the body to relax for a minute or two first of all. Then we're going to try and get it moving a little bit. So from there, one option we can do is bring your left foot up on top of the other one, and you're definitely going to notice something a little bit different there. And precise, small, little movements. So with this one, we can move up and down. We can roll forwards and backwards. So we're hitting all those different fibers and all the different fascial networks in there. So take your time with it, self-discovery, work around that whole area and see if you can find some doozies into the glute area. Get to work on that one. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video tutorial.